Here we have a Friedrich 23,500 BTU air conditioner and combination 13,000 BTU heater unit. It is unused. It has some shipping distress, but we're going to show you first that it does power up. And we're on the heat setting. And all the fan speeds operate with no issues. Alright, and it does blow hot air. And then we'll go over the system, which is the fan mode, and that's the AC mode right here. Okay. And then the compressor's getting ready to kick on. I'll just turn up the fan a little bit here. 2, 3. Now it does include a remote, but it does not appear that the remote is operational at this time. I don't know why. Maybe it's level on battery, but when you compressor just kicked on and it blows ice cold. Now when you hit the any of these buttons here, what happens is it does not stays on 88 degrees, and then if you hit one of this schedule button, it starts blinking number 3. So there may be a malfunction with either the remote, but the unit does operate. It does have a little minor shipping distress here. Looks like the compressor tank moved over and pushed the casing out a little bit here. There's a small dent in the rear right here, and a small dent right here. And you can hear the compressor running. It's a little bit noisier than usual, but again, the unit does operate. Now it does include a spare carbon filter. It has a carbon filter. You just put that right in here. Okay. And this is your front cover. And there's your seal for your window or wall. Now it doesn't include any of the mounting face for it. And we thank you for looking at our product.